Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What do you want to say? Oh, are you big stuff? Are you big stuff? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What? What do you want to say? Oh, yeah. Oh, tell me all about it. Tell me some more. Okay. What did you do today? Did you go to the grocery store? Yeah. You did. Did you fall asleep there? Yes, you did. You fell asleep in the sack? Yeah. At the grocery store. What else did you do? What did you do? Did you get kisses? Oh, did you get kisses from brother? Did you get kisses from brother? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he was being nice. That was nice, huh? Yeah, he loves you. He loves you, Sissy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is that funny? Oh, you could be a good girl? You could be a good girl tonight. Not all that crying. No. Not all that crying. We like smiles. Be a happy girl. You a happy girl? Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy.